Hi, I'm John Little, and I'm one of the project managers in the Planning, Design, and Construction Services here at Poudre School District. I'm here to welcome you to the first in a series of progress updates for the bond projects approved by the voters in the fall of 2010. The bond funds are one-time dollars that will allow the district to maintain our facilities over the coming years. Upgrading schools and related facilities will assure we are providing safe and positive learning environments for our 25,000 students. We will be overseeing these projects over the next 8 years. So how does the district implement these maintenance projects? The current bond issue is for $120 million and includes over 900 line items spread throughout our facilities. The projects are specifically to maintain and upgrade schools and facilities, including roof replacements, update electrical, plumbing, fire protection, heating, and ventilation systems, replace carpet and lockers, and improve school grounds to extend the useful life of our facilities. You can think of our schools and facilities as community assets. As we take care of our personal assets, such as our home and vehicles, we recognize the things that have reached or passed their useful life cycle, that is, they have reached the end of their intended use. So it is with district facilities. Many systems have now reached the end of their life cycle. In today's segment, we'll be looking at 3 projects: replacing the playground facilities at Lopez Elementary, replacing the student lockers at Lesher Middle School, and replacing the roof at Blevins Middle School. Up first, Lopez Elementary. At Poudre School District, safety is always a priority. So as we look around at our schools, we are continually reviewing, monitoring, and improving safe play areas for our children. In fact, federal guidelines instruct school districts on current and proper playground equipment. Like other facilities around the district, playgrounds have a life cycle of usability, which is generally around 15 to 20 years. So this past summer, as part of the current bond projects, we removed and replaced the playground equipment at Lopez Elementary. In doing so, the new state-of-the-art components are the latest in playground equipment and meets all the ADA requirements for accessibility. We also added an early childhood component to the playground at Lopez to comply with the changing standards for all school districts around the country. Next summer, we are planning to upgrade and replace 3 more playgrounds, and we'll be spending over $2.3 million on 11 playgrounds over the life of this bond issue. With safety in mind, repairing outside play areas is also a priority. So, this past summer, we improved the asphalt and concrete surfaces at numerous sites. As an example, we did some extensive improvements at McGraw Elementary, where we removed and replaced concrete surfaces in the play pad area, in the parking lot, in the drive lanes, and in the exits. These areas are now safe, functional, and comply with current state and federal requirements. Next up, Lesher Middle School. We're here in the main hallway at Lesher Middle School. This summer, we replaced all of the hallway lockers that were part of the original 1960 construction. As Lesher staff and students will tell you, these lockers were well beyond their service life. What's more, replacement parts are no longer available for those 50-year-old lockers. As you can see, we installed lockers that are construction welded and have a much greater lifespan than their predecessors. We have also changed from single tier design to double stack lockers so that every student can have their own space. By using the newer style form, we were able to remove lockers from the east side of the hallway and not put lockers back. This widened the hallways and will free up much of the crowding during passing periods. For all, this will create a safer traffic flow through the corridors. Next up, Blevins Middle School. Blevins is one of several schools receiving a new roof this summer. Here at Poudre School District, we now specify a multi-ply built-up roof system. What that means for occupants is a more energy-efficient building. Here's why. This roof, like others we are in the process of upgrading, allows us to increase the thickness of the insulation layer under the built-up roof to improve on insulating the building, which in turn helps us lower our heating bills. We also use a white top layer which helps reflect sunlight, which also helps keep the building cooler during the hot seasons. We can expect to get between 20 and 25 years of life out of a new roof system, so it'll be quite a while before we're back here at Blevins. So, 3 projects and 3 upgrades that will make a difference for hundreds of students and staff for years to come. But of course, we have hundreds of projects in progress, so the positive impact for students is multiplied many times what we've shown you. We'll be updating you periodically as we continue to invest in our students across Poudre School District. Thanks for watching.